Kahenyo Trap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF hakalai trik naitung kalakintu ya ka sarkar jala bakam de ban kentat syarut ya ka kai pot jing penbana notification khandai spa san phopra kabaya de bat ka jing phia pot hapadeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam halwar block 1 ha ka jinga kren penbet pot kabadang sa teng hapadeng kini arjala Ngikwa bagi Regional Committee ka Meghalaya bakam de ban lek klet ya kate ka jingpen pana khat kandai spa san phopra namar bahaus nam khat kandai spa san punyong ka jingpen long ya ka jinjurip lang dak Assam bat ka Meghalaya ha ka bayade bat ka block 1 bat hadien beladap ka jingphia ya uput da baro arlyang ka kai pot bala penmi haus nam khat kandai spa san phopra ka bakdau syai baki babun ki jaka ki dei ki bala long try de ki benar bat kumta de ban pen phai biang ye kini jaka shapo Meghalaya ong unong aiktien ke HBDRF bat working president ka knam uba Thomas Pasa habakren shakilat thai kubor hadien ka jing IT ya ka dorkas shaw mintri rangba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma ngin jin dalas ngosi jur lada ka sarkar Meghalaya ni ka regional committee kan kentat ya ka ni ka kai phot jong snam ka kendai spa san phupra laong ka sarkar jala hakalai pho trik jaliu kalapan mi ya ka jing pen bana halor ka jing thau ya ka regional committee ban pen shisha halor ki hinriu tili ki jaka ki berang sa teng ha ka jinga kren pen bet pun ha ka wat ka ba ar hapadeng ki ar jala
through its notification dated 30th of June 2026 has notified the constitution of the committees for verifying the 6 remaining disputed area between the state of Assam and Meghalaya. And when we go through the notification, we have seen that there is a term of reference. And in the term of reference, it is clearly stated that to examine the status of the population of villages as per a census record, including ethnicity. And it also includes that to visit each and every village and interact with the communities living in the village, including the elected representative of the Autonomous District Council and other stakeholders, to learn about the perception of the people living in the area. There is also another clause which states that to document the factual information regarding the physical and time-wise distance between the villages to a nearest polling services delivery point or administrative unit. So we have seen that this term of reference that the government of Meghalaya has noted down, they are quite satisfying. And we have today given a letter to the Honorable CM insisting that all these conditions that have been notified by the government of Meghalaya should be followed in letter and spirit, which means we want the committee with respect to the block 1 and block 2 to go to the ground zero, speak to every villages, then only we can come at a real-time conclusive report. Because we fear that as per the MDA1 committee, we have seen that the members of the regional committee have not visited the villages. They just sat in one room and did the documentation, which might lead to error report. So to ensure that there is no error in the report of the regional committee and the report is up to the satisfaction of the people living in the border area and of the people of the Meghalaya, we want that the regional committee should follow all the guidelines given in the term of reference of the notification dated 30 June 2026 in letter and spirit, so that we can ensure that there is a proper duty being carried out by the regional committee. And one more, we have met the CM in the past, I think, less than a month in his residence. We have handed him over a notification dated of the year 1958. And we would request that this notification dated 1958 issued when there was a government of Assam, there was no state of Meghalaya. We wanted that the regional committee and the state of Meghalaya should not look away from this notification 1958, because in 1957 a joint inspection has already been carried out by both Assam and Meghalaya into the aspect of the block 1. And after the ground demarcation by both sides, a report was out in 1958. And this 1958 report has clearly stated that majority of the area belongs to the Panar people. And therefore, they should be transferred back to the state of Meghalaya. And it would be very sad if the government of Meghalaya or the regional committee would sideline this report back in 1958.
Tuan Menteri Kesni hadin bang ngeliok jing tip mo bakalah terturik jun arajar peon riu negaliang jung government of Meghalaya kalau penmi yang kata notification bakal ada constitute lani kalau ada tahu yang kata regional committee tenaga pentaban penbing yang yupu usam pening ini ar beli jela Meghalaya Assam yakin riu beli jekai berang sateng di penhap phase 2 tiga penengkong hi negaliang jung ikung forum and neutral border dispute resolution forum yang ipen pau kajing sengungu ya ke sarkar namar kajing simkhia jongka ban thawe ni komiti ban khamtam haba kadon kajing angnut kajing terang kajing temu naga banta ban penbe do yunu pusam hapene gini arjella kabala ne manta da kiteu peusnem henre hadin ba ngilayo ban puli ngiliyo ban pe ya gitu ki terms of reference kibala kedeu ha katuka notification jo sarkar mo tingi das ngun sisa ya gitu bat ka ba ni don ban ong lani ka jing tho ka bangi ai se ka government menta te hadin mengiriyo ban pule ya ketu ga notification te ngila ya penbe ko forum bat ngila rai ban ai ya kata ka city jungi ka representation jungi nengkong chief minister badon borom jungi jela jungi konrat kesang ma badang ta haiba sing balang dhar deputy chief minister iba Deru Sherman jong regional committee kejing de West Jand Hills district nanta deputy commissioner jong West Jand Hills district balong ru member but kam convener jong regional committee te hakan ni sti jongi nyimpen jerong shu ni ong back ke subject request for comprehensive inspection and throughout preparation of the regional committee report concerning of block 1 and block 2 tang kata kemud ngi gentu bat ngi dawai ke sarkar ba kini regional committee gede baik ban butik katkum gitu ki terms of reference bala tho ha katuka ke notification namar balai omde ba ngi belo ngi kenno mo ya kini ginong yalam di jungi bat kam tami Sherman jongga regional committee jongga MDE 1 te ha kan ngi MDE 1 bala deyap te Kamtam ko Sherman jong journal committee kim pat lek re shadu stage sport area pi kim lek shadu stage sport block 1 jikite ki chnong badar sport block 1 tengaru ngayo ban ya donlang hakata regional committee kabalong license tingi shu ya kran baik dah po juai hadisi office conference hall de tharai ngia don bok himo namar bahaka MDA 1 di claim yo ban submit ya ketuga report ki claim yo ban submit bat nak ke report sewe ke report ka samo jong MD bon kala kudno mentas lawan parts ke MD itu teling bag experience ke bangila lab hakate ke MD 1 tengi kentu ban ke par ya ke sarkar makam tami Sherman jong regional committee ba ki de ban simkhia ban lek kumba ong hakato ke term of reference visited to each and every villages baru ban lek pek ban lek jengo cha iwe isinong ibadon hapo blok 1 lani hakitu dispute area ban nang taru ban ya kren mar khmat bar kitu ki pai dong sinong ibadon hangtu nang ta ban lum ban lang kita ki tip ibadon kambaro na dong sinong tiene kalian jongi hi nyim don ai ban ong hinre ki kerpar ki kentu ya ke sarkar ba ke sarkar gede bek ban putik kat kum ki an ki kendon lani kita ki terms of reference bala kede hakato notification tiada kalian jinggu bu forum ru, ko mangla tho hang ne ba, nagaliang jungi, ngiklai ban ai kata ketiga mon ketiga dia ngan kata jingi trelang mo, bat ke sarkar, khanang bagane ka kam kan long ka bejok, bat kan long ka biat beg erti. Bat ru ni kermen ba, daga jingi trelang jungi baro. Kum ki wahek snong, kum ki daloi, ki khotsing balang ba pher ba kita ki jaka ki puta ki bade ki jungi, kin wan phai biang hi chpo jala jungi. Kumba julong na do handai thai kolong kuma nak banta ka bit ke biang nak banta ka jingsuk jing slang jong kipat nyong suk snung jungi